Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on Facebook. Let's see how to do that. First, go to facebook.com. Now on the home page, you will see live video option. Click there. There are two options, go live and create live video event. Select go live. Now Facebook will ask you to use your camera and use your microphone. Click allow. Now select your webcam and select your streaming software. Then click go live. You can select the option post on your timeline and you can select the privacy. It is selected to only me. I am selecting it to public or friends. I am selecting friends. Click save. Then click go live. That's all. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.